one.
All right, our next bird, not a blue jay, but a gray jay. It's going to be very interesting. Give it up for Priscilla Sager.
I'm doing mine on the gray jay. So the classification, the family is crows, ravens, any kind of jays, like the blue jay, I forgot what other jay, and magpies and lots more. Right here is a magpie. It has like lots of colors in it, and it sort of looks like them, a crow and a raven. The order is Passeriformes, and the scientific name is Candensis, and it means robber. And the phylum is Chordata, and the class is Apes. Gray jays are found in North America, the Rocky Mountains, New Mexico, Arizona, Norway, and even Alaska. The purple right here, they're usually permanent. The permanent settling, they live more in Upper Canada and like less down here in like Oregon and United States. And the blue is where they will not breed at all. So yeah. And they will be usually found in fir forests, evergreen forests, and anything in high elevation. They are 2.5 ounces, which would be 70 grams. They're 11.5 inches. The wingspan is 18 inches, or 1.48 feet. The male and female are identical, but the female has a paler neck right here. So yeah, and this chart right here shows that there's 75% males and 25% females. So there's more male jays than there are female. So they usually mate, and female incubates for 16 to 18 days. Both parents tend the young, and babies are able to fly at the age of 15 days after birth. So this picture shows the parents. This is the female, that's the male, with babies, and that's what the eggs would look like before birth. And a year after birth, both genders can breed. So a year after the babies are born, they can start breeding. And the food, they'll eat meat, fruit, insects, plants, garbage, berries, and even fungi. Basically almost anything it comes across. Their predators are owls, hawks, weasels, foxes, American martins, red squirrels, and even northern hawk owls. So like here's a weasel, northern hawk owl, and there's a red squirrel, and there's American martin. And how gray jays warn each other is by giving alarms like screaming, chattering, or even imitating their predators. So that's how they like scare them off. The human relationship. Humans used to hunt them a lot, and sometimes gray jays now can be very curious. Like in this picture, it shows a gray jay on a guy's head. And gray jays quickly learned that humans can be an excellent food source. Like if you're camping, they'll come and take food from you. Or if you're like just walking around with food in your hand, they'll come and try to take it. And yeah, and store it up for the winter. It is not threatened or endangered, and on IUCN it is least concern. So it's not decreasing or increasing, it's just stable. Some cool facts. The gray jay has many informal names, including whiskey jack and meat bird. They coat mouthfuls of food with saliva and store them in tree bark. And gray jays build nests and lay eggs in March and even February. And here's one.
I'm sorry.
There's one.
You didn't know how to get rid of those slides either?
No.
Yeah. You're just supposed to press shift and delete.
Do they migrate, hybrid, or hibernate? Do they migrate or do anything like that?
Yeah, they do.
They do. Where do they go?
They usually go.
Oh yeah, you talked about that in your distribution slide, right? Where does the map list?
Yeah, they usually go in different places.
Can you put on that map again just so I can see it? Yeah, that one, number 3. Okay, so explain that one more time.
The permanent settling is up in more Upper Canada,
Okay.
and they're like not mostly found over south of America. In the blue, they won't breed at all.
Cool. And I might have missed it. Did you talk about how long they live for?
Oh, it didn't say how long they live for.
Okay. And then you had that great picture and talked about their interactions with people. So do you think that those affect their conservation at all?
Not really.
Other questions for Priscilla? Alright, let's give her a round of applause.